The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through. And every step quicker than the last, my feet tread down this beaten path, and I keep on pushing through. 'Cause I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. Yeah, I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. And oh, I've come too far in this to raise my flag and call it quits. So I keep on pushing through. Oh, with every step my heart it pounds. Yes, so sure I've had my doubts, but I must keep pushing through. Yeah, I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground.
Hey guys, I'm Ryan and I've been hacking things my whole life. Today we are going to be installing this Super73 premium extended seat for my Super73 S1. Oh, by the way, I'm Ryan and I've been hacking things my whole life. Let me do that again. I'm Ryan and I have been hacking things my whole life. My niece Giselle, hello Giselle, is asking me to create more dog videos along with Gavin and Megan, so I am going to have my dog in this. But I took him for a ride the other day and he was a little timid riding without a footing. So I'm thinking the front of the seat would be perfect to get my dog to ride, so I'm going to do that right after the This is crazy. I think the bolts are like extra big.
The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through. And every step quicker than the last, my feet tread down.
Okay guys, I have the premium seat all installed. Here is going to be my dog seat that's going to be mounted in front. It's going to go right here. I don't think it's going to limit the play too much right there. I have no idea what the Bubba the Fat thing's doing. I'm taking that off. But this is my configuration. I put in longer bolts, and I am going to take this polypropylene Ziploc container stuff, and I'm going to be cutting a bracket out with it that can go right below and hold this there temporarily. So I'm going to cut this out. Sometimes you just got to go in the cupboard and hack things. So I'm going to laser cut this. So it seems pretty resilient. plastic. So there's my plastic. I'm going to cut out a bracket that is going to go right over there. So it's going to be a little rectangle thing. Let me go do that right now. I'm going to go. And by the way, there's two little holes here you have to drill out. I'll explain that in 1 second. All right, I got my let me fix my hat here. I gotta look fly. Okay, I got my pieces cut out on the laser cutter. There's a coupon code for the laser cutter below. I can't emphasize how much I like that for prototyping. The Glowforge is an amazing prototyping thing. I do so many things around my lab with it. So I have these plastic pieces are very hard, cut out of my wife's Tupperware. And now I'm going to install them here. Oh, by the way, this is where I got the brackets from. These plastic brackets came out of this Tupperware thing here. Oops. Now we put, should I use two here? Two here. I'm just going to see if one's good enough. There's my dog seat. Let's take the dog for a ride.
The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through. And every step quicker than the last, my feet tread down this beaten path, and I keep on pushing through. 'Cause I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. Yeah, I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. And oh, I've come too far in this to raise my flag and call it quits. So I keep on pushing through. Oh, with every step my heart it pounds. Yes, so sure I have my doubts, but I must keep pushing through. Yeah, I get